Good morning, students. Take out your EVS reader book. Today we are going to do lesson 14, keeping oneself clean. That means खुद को साफ कैसे रखें. So the first topic is personal hygiene. Before we begin, please write READ, read. Personal hygiene. Personal यानी खुद की, hygiene means साफ सफाई. We must look after our body. We must take care of our body and keep it clean and healthy. To keep our body clean and healthy, we must follow these tips. अपनी body को साफ और healthy means स्वस्थ रखने के लिए what all we can do, we'll read it here. So what is the first point? The first thing is wake up early in the morning. We have to get up early in the morning. You have heard? Early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy and wise. यानी कि हम अगर सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठेंगे तो we will feel fresh all day long. And immediately after waking up, what we should do? We should brush our teeth. And how many times should we brush our teeth? Twice a day. दिन में 2 बार. Once in the morning and once before you go to your bed. Do exercises regularly. Now students, you know that it is COVID time. Everywhere there is corona and even our government is saying that we should do exercise regularly and we should try doing yogasans. हमें योगा करना चाहिए. उससे हमारी immunity, what is immunity? यानी कि रोग से, बीमारी से लड़ने की ताकत बहुत बढ़ती है. That's why now because you are at home, you can get up early in the morning and please practice doing some exercises. Then take bath every day. Now there are many who don't take bath every day. No, today it's very cold. आज बहुत ठंड है, मैं नहीं नहाऊंगा. So we should not do that. Now see, in the previous lesson I explained you where we learnt about saving water, that we should not take bath in shower. Instead we should use bucket. So take bath every day but not in shower. Instead use bucket. Trim the nails once a week. Trim the nails means नाखून काटने चाहिए हमेशा हफ्ते में 1 बार. Oil and comb the hair properly. We should, in the school also we tell you that put oil and then comb your hair so that you look neat. Your hair look neat. So oil and comb the hair properly. Wear neat and clean clothes. Now this point we learn in our clothing chapter in lesson 12. So you should wear clean clothes. Then this is very important students. Drink milk at least twice a day. दिन में 2 बार दूध पीना होता है. उससे हमें ताकत मिलती है, हमारे बोन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. क्योंकि हम तो इतना खेलते कूदते उछलते हैं ना, तो दूध हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो ड्रिंक मिल्क एट लीस्ट ट्वाइस अ डे. नाउ ईट कवर्ड एंड फ्रेश फूड. यू शुड नेवर ईट स्टेल. स्टेल यानी बासी खाना. एंड अनकवर्ड फूड, जिस खाने पे ढक्कन ना डला हुआ हो वो खाना नहीं खाते. क्यों? क्योंकि उस पर मक्खियाँ आके बैठती हैं. फिर अगर हम वो खाना खाते हैं तो हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं. सो ऑलवेज ईट कवर्ड एंड फ्रेश फूड. नाउ ईट ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. दिस ऑल्सो मेक्स अस वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इम्यून. हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है और हमें बीमारी से लड़ने की ताकत देता है. सो ईट ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एवरी मील. Now we tell you after in school also about this, that wash your hands before you eat your tiffin and also after that, and it should be followed after every meal. आप जब भी खाना खाते हैं, खाना खाने से पहले हाथ धोएं और फिर बाद में. Do you know why? क्योंकि हम पूरे दिन यहाँ वहाँ हर चीज़ों को छूते हैं. So there can be germs. There will be germs which get sticked in our hand. So when if we put that dirty hand in our mouth, again we'll fall sick. So that's why we should wash our hands before and after every meal. Do not overeat. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पूड़ियाँ बहुत पसंद है, मैं 4 पूड़ी खा सकती हूँ, बट आई विल ईट 6 or 7 पूड़ीज. नो, ओवर ईटिंग का मतलब होता है ज़्यादा खाना. डू नॉट ओवर ईट, ज़्यादा मत खाओ. च्यू द फूड प्रॉपरली, और खाने को अच्छे से चबा चबा के खाना चाहिए. आई होप दिस रूल्स आर clear to you how to keep your body clean and healthy. Now we'll also learn about some bad habits that we should avoid, जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. Never bite your nails. Okay? हमें दांतों से नाखून को नहीं काटना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि नाखून के अंदर गंदगी होती है. So when we bite it with our teeth, what happens? All the germs gets into our mouth and then into our stomach, making us ill. Never put finger in your nose. Now that is a dirty habit, putting finger in your nose. Never spit on the floor. Spit means थूकना, floor means ज़मीन पे. कभी भी ज़मीन पे इधर उधर नहीं थूके. If you want to spit, you should do it in the basin and then you should turn on the tap water so that it goes away, because थूक से भी बहुत बीमारियां फैलती है. Cleanliness in the house and surrounding. Now see, look at this house. It is so beautiful, clean, neat and tidy. Always keep your house tidy and clean. साफ सुथरा रखें. Keep the things in the proper place. See, the pillows are kept on the bed. It's not falling here or there. And see, everything in this house is kept at its proper place. That's why this is looking beautiful. इसीलिए चीज़ों को हमेशा अपनी सही जगह पे रखें. आप पढ़ाई करके बुक्स वहीं छोड़ देते हो, फिर मम्मी को डांटना पड़ता है. So don't do that. Keep the doors and windows open for ventilation. See, such a big window, we should keep it open. Ventilation means हवा आर पार आ सके, so that we get fresh air to breathe. Keep the drainage system efficient. Drainage यानी जहाँ से गंदा पानी बहता है, नाली. We should not throw anything that will block it. हमें उसमें पत्थर या ऐसे कुछ कपड़े वगैरह नहीं फेंकने चाहिए कि वो नाली को ब्लॉक कर दे. So that's why keep your drainage. Drainage means जहाँ से वो गंदा पानी, नाली जो जाती है, that is called drainage system efficient. Always keep the food covered. खाने को हमेशा ढक के रखें. Use of dustbin. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. Now see students, everywhere it is being said, keep your surroundings neat and clean. Keep your surroundings neat and clean. So please follow this. Pick up litter. Litter means gandagi from the floor and always throw it in the dustbin. See this girl, she picked it up. She picked up the litter and now she has thrown that into a dustbin. So you should also become good like her and do the same. Encourage others to put garbage in the dustbin, and you should also tell others that to put the garbage in the dustbin. So students, read till here. The second part I'll explain you tomorrow. Take care, be safe. Thank you.